Akshara.
Hi, my name is Azra.
Today we are going to explain how to make a slime. Hi, I'm Akshara. Today I'm going to say about slime. This is called a slime. This is so stretchy and soft. For making different slimes, we could use different types of colors and different types of things. Today we are going to show you how to make a slime.
Let's get started. This is my pink slime with beads.
This is my blue slime.
This is my pink slime.
Now we are going to make a slime. These are the things for making a slime. For making a slime, we need a glue, some detergent and some water to mix.
We need some shaving cream and a spoon in a box.
We need some body lotion. These are all the things for making a slime. First, we need some glue. Add this glue into the bowl. Some shaving cream in the glue. Now we need some body lotion. We need to add the body lotion into the shaving cream and glue and mix it well. We need to add some water into the detergent powder. Now mix it well. Shaving cream, body lotion and glue. And mix it well.
I like slime. We every time make it and it will be every time stretchy to play. I like to play with the slime because it's too fluffy and smooth. I like to collect and I like to play with it. With three our best friends, we like to make slime.
I love making slimes and every weekend or every Sunday we make slimes. I love to make slimes and I even make every slime on weekends or like Sundays. Me and my friends like to make slimes and play with it a lot of times. I started making slimes from last year. Almost everyone in my class love and like making slimes. Now our slime is going to be ready.
Now the slime is going to be ready. These are the slimes we made before.
I'm on my last straw. I'm broken and I'm woken up. I'm done feeding your lies. I've had enough. I can't run your place in this faulty game. And all the words you speak mean nothing.
our slime is finally done. So smooth and so fluffy. See? That one is clear, this one is white. The slime is over and it's very beautiful and so fluffy too.
Yay!